Welcome to MeeLearn-Chinese. Hello, my name is Rose Lee. I'm hosting a Chinese conversational lesson. In this lesson, you will learn all about pets. First, let's listen to some conversations.
你看，那只狗真可爱。
我家也有一只狗，
什么狗？
吉娃娃。你养过狗吗？
没有，我以前养过鱼，还有兔子。我爸爸养过鸟。
你为什么不养狗？
我妈妈不让我养狗，因为我们太忙了。我希望以后我能养狗。你看，那只狗真可爱。
我家也有一只狗，
什么狗？
吉娃娃。你养过狗吗？
没有，我以前养过鱼，还有兔子。我爸爸养过鸟。
你为什么不养狗？
我妈妈不让我养狗，因为我们太忙了。我希望以后我能养狗。
Vocabulary 真 really. For example, 今天的牛肉真好吃。The beef today is really tasty. 这里的夏天真热。Summer here is really hot. 可爱 cute. 这只狗真可爱。The dog is really cute. 他家有只很可爱的猫。Her family has a really cute cat. 什么狗 Literally, what dog? What kind of dog? 你知道那是什么狗吗？ Do you know what kind of dog that is? 吉娃娃 Chihuahua. 他家有一只吉娃娃。His family has a Chihuahua. 养 to raise. 我养了3条鱼。I have raised 3 fish. Using 过 as an aspect particle to indicate that an action has been experienced. The sentence structure is like this. Subject plus verb plus 过 plus object. For example, 我学过中文。I have studied Chinese. 我养过狗。I have raised a dog. 我去过中国。I have been to China. Using may or 没有 to negate a sentence that has 过 in it. The sentence structure is like this. Subject plus may plus verb plus 过 plus object. Or subject plus 没有 plus verb plus 过 plus object. For example, 我没学过中文。I have never studied Chinese. 我没有坐过公车。I have never taken a bus. 我没买过鱼。I have never bought fish before. 兔子 rabbits. For example, 我没养过兔子。I have never raised a rabbit. 让 to let, to allow. For example, 妈妈不让我养狗。Mom won't let me raise a dog. 爸爸不让我去。Dad won't let me go. Now let's have a summary of this word 让. We have learned this word 让 in our level 1 lesson 23. That this 让 means to ask. For example, 我让他给你回电话。I will ask her to call you back. The second use is to let or to allow. For example, 妈妈不让我看电视。Mom won't allow me to watch TV. 忙 busy. For example, 我太忙了。I'm too busy. 他今天不忙。He's not busy today. 希望 to wish, to hope. For example, 他希望以后去中国工作。He wishes he can go to China to work in the future. Using 能 which is can to express the ability or possibility of someone doing something. For example, 我能跑20公里。I can run 20 kilometers. Here, this can is used to describe an ability someone possesses that is not necessarily through learning. Please note here that this can is different from the can we learned from level 1 lesson 13. That can is 会 as know how to do something. That is an ability that is gained through learning. For example, 我会游泳. I can swim. I know how to swim. Let's look at some examples of this word 能, which describes an ability. 他能喝8瓶啤酒. He can drink 8 bottles of beer. 我能帮你. I can help you. 能 can also be used to express possibilities. For example, 我明天能来你家玩. Literally, I tomorrow can come to your house to play. So here, this 能, which is can, is there to describe the possibility of coming. Maybe the parents have allowed the kids to come, or maybe there are no other things in the way. Let's look at some more examples. 我们能早一点吃饭吗? Can we eat a bit earlier? Is it possible to eat a bit earlier? 5块钱能买一个冰淇淋吗? Can I buy an ice cream with $5? Is it possible to buy an ice cream with $5? 我希望我以后能养狗. I hope I can raise a dog in the future. Now it's time for a culture tip. Nowadays, keeping pets have become a popular lifestyle among many Chinese people. Dogs are one of the most beloved pets, followed by cats, rabbits, turtles, fish, etc. Here are several common dog breeds. Do you know their Chinese names? 金毛, literally golden fur, golden retriever. 哈士奇, husky. 吉娃娃, chihuahua. 贵宾犬, poodle. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!